Hey guys, Reese here and welcome back to another video. So on this channel, I usually talk about how cash flowing real estate is my favorite asset class to invest in. And while there are many ways to invest in real estate without any of your own money, such as partnerships as one example, it's pretty difficult, especially in today's market, to find a rental property that provides a high enough return to justify a sweat equity partner, that is, a partner that brings no money to the table but contributes through finding the deal and managing that deal. And this gets even more difficult when you are just starting out in real estate or just beginning your investing career. And of course, there are great loan programs out there that allow you to put 5% down or less on a rental property. However, you still need income history or a cosigner, and most likely at least $5,000 to $10,000 for a down payment and reserves on that property. And so today I want to take a step back from real estate, which is a little bit of a hard thing for me to do, but instead talk about some of the best ways to get started investing with, say, $100 or even less. And this is great for a beginning investor who wants to really get started now but doesn't have the capital to get into real estate. So I'm going to share with you today my top 3 ways to start investing and generate income that can then be used to buy that cash flowing rental property in the future and help you establish financial freedom. But before we go ahead and dive into this topic today, would you all please do me a favor and go ahead and like this video, as it helps me out a ton and I really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe as well for content similar to this related to real estate and finance in the future. So with that said, the first and best way to invest $100, in my opinion, is to invest that money in yourself, in your education. Now, one of the hardest things to do, in my opinion, once again, is to invest money and time in something that has no foreseeable return. And one of those things is investing in your education when it comes to business, finance, and mindset. This form of education is rarely taught in schools. However, you won't make it very far financially without at least a base of financial and business education. And investing in your education doesn't have to cost much, but it will lead to huge returns in the future. Now, one way to increase your education on these topics is, of course, through books, and it's well known that most CEOs and business owners read at least a couple books a month. Now, some of the books I recommend you get started with are as follows in no particular order. The Millionaire Real Estate Investor by Gary Keller for $13. The book on rental property investing by Brandon Turner for $14. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill for $13. The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss for $15. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie for $10. How to Talk to Anybody by Leo Lowndes for $10. The Richest Man in Babylon by George Clason for $7. And finally, Rich Dad Poor Dad for $13. That comes out to about $95 worth of books, and then tack on sales tax for that, and you're at about $100. Now, I will also link to all of those books in the description to Amazon if you're interested in purchasing one of those books. Now, some of these books are real estate based, while others are basic investing principles, and yet others are mindset and motivation related. And I love reading a mix of books like this on multiple different topics, spreading some from motivation and others into education and action items to keep things fresh and help me remain motivated. Now, there are of course other ways to gain knowledge aside from books, such as courses, seminars, and of course real-world experience. And I really like seminars because it gives you an opportunity to meet with and network with like-minded individuals. A lot of local seminars or meetups in your neighborhood are usually free or very cheap, well under $100, and those are a great place to get started on. Just make sure as you educate yourself throughout these seminars, make sure that you're not taking what people say as just gold, as 100% correct. Take the topics of discussion and take notes on them, and then do some further research on these items and form your own opinion. Now, the second way to start generating income with $100 or less is through affiliate marketing. In this day and age, many young people already have a social media presence with 500 friends or followers or more. However, even if you don't have an online presence already, it's not terribly difficult to use all the social media available to us today to start to build a network, given enough time and consistency. Now, a few ways to start generating income through affiliate marketing are through Amazon affiliate links, the Robinhood affiliate program, or the Webull affiliate program. And as someone who watches a lot of financial videos myself, I see these 3 affiliate programs very often in those videos with links in their description. However, there are tons of other affiliate marketing programs out there for you to look into depending on your target market. However, one easy way to get started with affiliate marketing is through recommending Webull and Robinhood to your friends and have them sign up with your affiliate link. And right away, you get 1 free stock through Robinhood for every friend that signs up, and they do as well. And you get more free stocks with Webull as well. And if you don't have Robinhood or Webull already, you can sign up through my affiliate links in the description, which will also give you free stocks as well as myself. And then right away, you've earned affiliate income by just depositing $100 through Webull to get those free stocks, as well as downloading Robinhood, which doesn't require a deposit. And this is one way how I'm implementing affiliate marketing income. I'm not really investing money beyond that $100 with Webull to get those 2 free stocks. However, I am investing my time by filming YouTube videos like this and trying to contribute valuable information to you all and build an audience. And one way to then monetize this channel is through affiliate marketing with products I truly believe in. And that's something that's extremely important. The moment you start pushing products or services that you haven't used or you don't really believe in, that are not good products, you start to ruin your credibility. And in my opinion, no short-term amount of money, no matter how much, is worth ruining your credibility long-term. Now, another way to earn affiliate income that I mentioned earlier is through Amazon affiliate links. So did you just buy something for yourself or a family member that you really enjoyed? Go ahead and recommend that product to your friends and family on Facebook or Instagram, or if you have a YouTube channel, and then include your affiliate link to that product in the description. And now anyone who decides that that product looks cool and buys it themselves through your link, they will then contribute to your affiliate income and you'll earn money from that. Just once again, be transparent and only recommend products you really enjoy. And finally, the third thing you can do with $100 is to start a business. As I said earlier, gaining real-world experience is a great way to gain education. And building a business is a great way to start gaining real-world experience without necessarily risking a lot of money. Now, one super simple business model would be creating a website to promote a service of yours, host that for $20 a month maybe, and then put another $80 a month into ads to drive traffic to your website selling your service. And then as you sell that service and earn money back, reinvest that $100 monthly. And one super basic example of this kind of online business would be to become a freelancer through Fiverr or some other platform with a built-in market. So you can create a service on Fiverr in which you design awesome YouTube thumbnails for $20. Invest that $100 into a monthly subscription for Photoshop and maybe some ads to drive traffic to your gig. Now all you need to do to break even is sell around 6 of those services to cover that $100 plus the fees that Fiverr takes out of that income. And the cool thing is those clients you gain through ads will probably be repeat clients as long as you deliver a great service. Now, as you earn that initial $100 back, you continue to reinvest that into ads and build your client base over time. This is a very cool way to build what could become a very profitable business for you, while also learning some very important skills when it comes to starting your own business, such as customer relations, marketing, advertising, the value of a customer, and many other things. And one other cool thing about online businesses are their ability to scale quickly. However, you could also start a physical business, such as maybe a lawn care business or a snow plowing business, invest that $100 in the tools required for these jobs, and then go door to door selling your service. Scale over time, add employees, maybe charge $50 for mowing each lawn, and then have an employee mow that lawn for $30, and you profit the difference, less advertising and other expenses. There are a lot of cool business options to start with only $100 if you get creative and then bootstrap. Now, of course, guys, this is far from a comprehensive list. However, whatever you decide to do with your money, Focus on education and learning as much as you can through these experiences. What you do with this $100 will be multiplied when you invest $1,000 or $100,000. If you make impulsive emotional decisions and don't learn from these, you'll do that as well at an amplified level with more money. Most lottery winners lose all their money because they haven't spent the time learning how to control, save, and invest their money, and therefore it leaves them fairly quickly. So everyone, I hope this gets the mental juices flowing per se, and if so, I'd love it if you go ahead and like this video, as well as subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future. So guys, thanks again for sticking around to the end of this video. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. Have a great day.